Am I the only one who didn't know pomegranates are basically nature's candy with superpowers? Pomegranates aren't just tasty, they're packed with goodies for your body. These ruby red gems are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins and minerals. Loaded with antioxidants, they fight off those pesky free radicals. And get this, they can boost heart health by lowering blood pressure and improving blood flow. Got inflammation? Pomegranates can help with that too. They're even showing promise in cancer prevention by slowing cancer cell growth. Plus, they support your digestive health and can even give you an extra edge in your workouts. But wait, there's more. Pomegranates can help keep your brain sharp, your skin glowing, and your urinary tract healthy. So, whether you snack on them fresh, sip the juice, or toss them in a salad, pomegranates are a must-add to your diet. Ready to get your pomegranate on?